Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to the start of a brand new week here at Perry Elementary. Today is Monday, October 21st of 2019, and here are our morning announcements. Boys and girls, if you are in kindergarten or second grade, unfortunately you don't have field trips today because of the weather. So for kindergarten, you were able to reschedule that to next Monday. But for second grade, unfortunately, we couldn't find another date to reschedule you. So we will find another field trip that you would go on some point in time throughout the school year. But hopefully that kindergarten, you'll be able to go on that field trip next week. The rest of us, of course, let's enjoy the day, and let's hopefully it doesn't rain all day as they anticipate it to be. We do have picture retakes happening today in the art and music room. Mrs. Dawson will be coming around to different classes to pick up students who need to get their pictures retaken. She'll be starting at 8 a.m. in the kindergarten classes and then go to first grade, second grade, and so on and so forth. Also today we have our PTCO meeting that will be happening at 4:30 today. Probably right outside the office area in the main lobby. And we do have some birthdays to announce, and I apologize that I did not have my birthday list for Friday. But for Friday's birthday, we have Megan Savitsky. So happy birthday to you, Megan. And then for today, we have two birthdays. So we have Blake Belazar and also Ava Hart. Happy birthday to both of you on this day. We do have a number of birthdays this week, so it'd be great to celebrate with them. Our lunch choices for today, we have chicken nuggets with waffles, so chicken and waffles, how about that? And meatball sub, and sun butter and jelly. And thank you all the boys and girls who helped out with our change with our lunch arrangement for 1s, 2s, and 3s. That seemed to work out really well. Jaden Goins and I kind of kept a head count through the whole time to see if we had a lot of people out in the hallway area, and we did have about half of the people that we normally do. So it worked out really well for all the grade levels. So thank you, Jaden, for coming up with that idea. We'll continue on doing that. For our pause expectations, we do have kindergarten students here to finish out our pause expectations from last week.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our pause, and we do have some students here from kindergarten in Mrs. Hirsch's class and Mrs. Green's class to talk about our expectations.
Don't push people off the stairs. Don't kick anybody in the face. No pulling your teacher's hair, or no hitting or no fighting. No bullying people.
Those are great examples. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, girls. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, girls. And everybody have a great day. Have a wonderful start to the week. This is all what you make of it, so let's make sure we have a positive day and make sure we have a strong week.